Think you're a food emoji expert? You've got 10 seconds to guess each dish based on emojis. From tasty snacks to tricky treats. Let's see if your brain's as hungry as your stomach. Let's warm up with the comfort food classics. If you miss these, we might have to take away your snack privileges. Hot dog. Ice cream. Onion rings. French fries. If you miss this, your snack license is officially revoked. Cupcake. Hamburger. Hot wings. Garlic bread. Fish fingers. Cheese balls. If you got all 10, your taste buds are certified. But don't get too cocky. We're just getting saucy. Let's hit the medium level. These dishes might not be your daily go-to, but they're delicious enough to deserve your attention. Ready for a food fight? With your brain? Rice cake. Breadsticks. Cherry pie. Fish taco. If this doesn't roll into your brain in 1 second, we're concerned. Cheeseburger. Even your grandma would scream this answer at the screen. Chicken soup. Drumsticks. Bacon cheeseburger. Sweet potato. Eggplant. Still here? Impressive! Your emoji appetite is unmatched. But now, it's time for the hard stuff. The dishes only true foodies will decode. These are the culinary curveballs. If you can get most of these, Gordon Ramsay might want a word with you. Chili beans. Greek salad. Egg roll. If you don't know this, we can't be friends. Peanut butter sandwich. This one probably winked at you last weekend. Barbecue ribs. Pineapple pizza. Carrot. Peanuts. This one has been sticking around since kindergarten. Fish and chips. It's the duet nobody asked for, but everyone secretly loves. Avocado toast. If you guessed more than half in this round, you're officially a food emoji master. But wait, we're not done just yet. Here's your bonus brain snack. Guess the food combo and leave your answer in the comments. No answer reveal? This one's all on you. Drop your guess below and flex your emoji food IQ. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before your brain gets too full.